Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and you go straight to Settings. This is where the engine lives. Once in Settings, click the three-dot menu at the top right and select Settings. Don't stall. Make sure Chrome is updated because older builds hide options. Also prepare the name or URL of the engine you want to add, for example DuckDuckGo or a custom site. This saves time when adding a new provider. Now, proceed to the Search Engine section to begin changing it. Once in Search Engine Settings, choose Manage Search Engines and Site Search. This is where you add or edit providers. Click Add to supply a name, a short keyword, and the search URL using %s as the query placeholder. This tells Chrome where to insert your terms. After adding, find the engine in the list and click the three-dot menu beside it to set as default. This makes new queries go to your chosen engine. Make sure the URL works by testing a quick search from the address bar. To finish, type a query in the Omnibox to confirm your new default is active. You should see results from that provider. If Chrome still shows the old engine, clear cache or restart the browser, and then retry. Remove any duplicate or conflicting entries using the three-dot menu so Chrome doesn't pick the wrong one. If a custom engine fails, double-check that the search URL includes the %s placeholder and that the domain and path are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.